Welcome to Joseph Plumber. Today I want to show you how to connect a ball valve inside the tank. So guys, this is the tank that I'm going to install this ball valve. As you see, this is the ball valve, and this is the back nut where the water is getting outside. You see here. So I will tighten this back nut here, as you see guys. And this is the ball valve, and I have the pipe wrench, as you see. This is the ball valve guys. This is the nipple that I'm going to touch here, so that to install the ball valve here, as you see. Let me show you the sample. You take this, then you fix here inside to this guys, as you see. After fixing it, then you put here guys. So guys, watch as I proceed with this video. The tank you see here, it is inside under the roof, as you see, around the ceiling board. So I want to fix the ball valve, so when the water is full enough, it will close. So guys, watch as I proceed with this video, then you see how I'm installing the ball valve. So guys, watch. So guys, this is the outlet. This is the ball valve, which is the inlet guys. So guys, you can see how I'm taking the button of the tank connector. Already I have finished to close the ball valve and the nipple. So it's time now to fix this ball valve on this GI. You can see this is the lock guys. This is the lock of this ball valve, as you see. It's time now to fix this ball here, as you see, this thread. So guys, I completed to install the ball valve, as you see. And see, this is the ball valve that I was installing, as you see guys. and the back nut. So this is the ball valve, and this is, guys, is the tank connector, which is the long trail nipple, as you see, guys. Yeah, this is the one that I was installing, guys. This is inside the tank, guys. This is the inlet, the outlet, guys. Yeah, this is the one that I was installing, guys. This is inside the tank, guys. This is the inlet, the outlet, guys. Hello guys, this is the tank that we have been installing, as you see. So already I have finished to install it. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and leave the comment. Thank you guys.